As well as understanding lever systems and knowing about the various parts and what's in the middle of each lever system, you also need to be confident in drawing a lever system, and you could easily get a 1 or a 2 mark question which asks you to draw, for example, a first class lever system or a second or a third class lever system. The diagrams below show each lever system, first, then second, then third, as a diagram form from the exam board. So if you learn exactly how to draw these diagrams and have a bit of a practice and make sure you get the arrows and the labels all in the right place, and you can do that confidently, you know that you can answer a question on lever systems and you can draw a lever system out. So it's worthwhile definitely just covering this up or closing the page and having a go at drawing each system, labelling it, and then checking your answer. The final part of this topic is about mechanical advantage and mechanical disadvantage. Each lever system either has a mechanical advantage or a mechanical disadvantage. First class and second class lever systems have a mechanical advantage. Third class lever systems have a mechanical disadvantage. So if you take a look at the table below, you can see a mechanical advantage is that a large load can be lifted with relatively little effort due to the effort arm of the lever system being long. So if you think back then, if we look at an example, so the best example to give for this one is rowing a boat. So the weight of the water is very, very large compared to the effort that you're giving and you're able to give. However, rowers can still move that water very easily, the load of the water very easily, and move quite quickly through the water. And that's due to the length of the lever, which is the oar itself. So therefore, a large load, the water, can be lifted with relatively little effort when rowing a boat. And that's the same, it's not as obvious, but it's the same for all first and second class lever systems. The disadvantage that they have, first and second class lever systems, is that it's slower movement and limited flexibility. So if you think about slower movement, again, rowing a boat, it takes longer to perform each stroke than if you were doing something like a bicep curl. Third class lever system, the advantage is its fast movement and a large range of motion. So bicep curl, really fast movement. Mechanical disadvantage is present though. So you cannot lift as heavy load with the same amount of effort, and this is due to the effort arm being short. So again, if we stick with a bicep curl, you can't lift as heavy load with the same amount of effort. So the effort it takes for your biceps to lift a weight is a very big effort to lift quite a small weight in comparisons to different lever systems in your body. It's also important to know how we work out mechanical advantage. So mechanical advantage is effort arm divided by resistance arm, and you're never going to get figures or numbers that you have to use to work out mechanical advantage of a particular lever, but it's an equation that the exam board want you to know. So just remember, mechanical advantage equals effort arm divided by resistance arm.